Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you something really amazing. How to create a complete PowerPoint presentation using Chat.z.ai in just a few seconds, without even opening PowerPoint first. So here's what I did. I asked Chat.z.ai to create a presentation slide deck explaining Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. My exact prompt was: create a presentation slide deck explaining Harvard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. List and briefly describe each of the 8 intelligences with a simple example. Keep the text concise and suggest a visual for each intelligence. That's it. Just one simple prompt. And within a few seconds, Chat.z.ai started working, and it automatically generated a beautiful, well-structured presentation. Each slide was neatly designed. The text was clear and balanced, and it even suggested visuals for every type of intelligence, like musical, linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic. You can easily preview the slides right inside Chat.z.ai, and honestly, the design quality is just stunning. Once you're happy with your slides, you can export them as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. I chose the PowerPoint option, and when I opened it in Microsoft PowerPoint, wow! The fonts, colors, and layouts looked incredibly professional. Ready to use for teaching, business, or any kind of presentation. So that's how easy it is to create a full, ready-to-present PowerPoint deck using Chat.z.ai. It saves tons of time and gives you a creative, polished result instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments what kind of presentation you'd like me to try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.